Hey everyone. Tonight I am going to do a showing of our graphics card for our gaming PC. So move this keyboard out of the way. I've got 1,000 keyboards, and I don't need them all. But so this is what we have: is the AMD Radeon RX 6550 XT. There's some of the stats, and that's going on the glass PC we've been talking about, with that motherboard of the B450M HDV with the 500 water. And so hopefully, man, this is our first time building a PC. I'm hoping everything is okay and compatible. So this would be it. And it's a dual fan. Looks pretty sweet. Yeah. Solid back. I mean, it looks pretty awesome. I like it. But all that matters is if it works. So it will plug in like that. Or no. Sorry. Wrong. It will plug in like this, because right here is the back of it. We'll plug in. No, it will plug in upside down. It will plug in like that. And so that's what we will see when we look into our PC, which is still pretty top notch. I like it. I like the copper coils. I like the simplicity of it. Yeah, looks awesome. I like it. Hopefully everything works out, and it will coincide with my PC that I'm trying to build. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Probably tomorrow. Have a good one. Just try and have a good night. Bye.